Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well, and in this video I just want to discuss about the AWS Certificate Manager known as ACM. So AWS Certificate Manager is your one-stop for all your SSL TLS certificate need. So let's talk about this. What is ACM? So it's a fully managed AWS service which is designed to simplify the process of provisioning, managing, and renewing your SSL TLS certificates for your websites and applications. It eliminates the need to manually handle certificate generation, validation, and renewal across multiple services. It helps you integrate seamlessly with other AWS services like Route 53, Elastic, Load Balancer, and CloudFront. So let's talk about some of the features of ACM. So first of all, it can be used for your public and private certificate. It it also helps you issue certificate for public domain, which is accessible on the internet, and as well as your private certificates for your internal network communications. It can easily automate your renewal cycle for your certificate. It also monitors certificate expiration date and automatically renews the certificates before they expire. It can also do the DNS validation. It securely verifies the domain ownership by creating DNS record in Route 53. It easily integrates with other AWS services. It can be deployed certificates directly to your services like EC2 instance, load balancers, and API gateway. Now let's talk about the benefits of using ACM. It improves security since all your website applications are protected with up-to-date SSL TLS certificates. It also reduces your operational overhead since all the certificates are automated, so it helps you freeing up the IT resources. It can be managed centrally, so you can manage all your certificates from your single console. And lastly, it is cost effective way because you only pay for the certificate you use and there is no additional charges for management. So how to use this ACM? So you can access the ACM console through the AWS console. You can navigate to the AWS management console and then you can search for the ACM services and then you can open the ACM services. Once you open the ACM services, you can enter the domain names you want to secure and also the validation method, whether it is DNS or email. And then you can review and submit your request. The next step would be to validate the domain ownership. So ACM will guide you through the validation process based on your chosen method. And then finally, you will deploy your certificate. So associate the issue certificate with your desired AWS services. So that's about the ACM. Let's talk about some of the use cases where you will be using ACM services. So first of all, it will be used to secure a website which is accessible all public, or it is used for private network communications. It also encrypts communication between internal services within your VPC, and it protects sensitive data transmitted through your API gateway. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.